Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing a Story Kit Crush process video for the last spread that I'm making using the Friends Story Kit from Ali Edwards. And this one is documenting a very special friendship between this pair of stuffed animals that my sister and I had from our childhood. And since this is the last spread that I'm going to be doing with the Friends Story Kit, I'll do a flip through next Friday of all the projects that I've made using the Friends Story Kit. So stay tuned for that if you'd like to see how I did with crushing this story kit. I'm starting off with some journaling cards from this kit. I have a 4x6 one that says Friends Forever Friends, a 3x4 one that says Just Like the Good Old Days, and these two 3x4 cards were actually a 4x6 card that had the navy blue card with the florals on the left side and the journaling lines on the right side. But I just cut those in half so that I could make that into a flip out to house some more journaling. I also have the Friends of acrylic word and an acetate word left over that says childhood, and I'm going to use those for the phrase childhood friends on the top of my full page photo. And I've also done some journaling on some clear sticker paper as well and sized those to fit onto my journaling cards. I'm going to start by adhering my childhood friends pieces to the top of this photo. And I was going to use a stapler for the acetate word as I usually do, but then I second guessed myself and used some roller tape adhesive instead. This is the Tombow Mono Permanent Adhesive Tape Runner, and I wish I would have just stuck with the staples instead because you can see the adhesive from behind this acetate word, and that kind of bothers me a bit. But moving on, moving on to this acrylic word, it is quite thick and a bit heavy, so I decided to use a couple of pieces of 1/8 inch score tape just on the really thick sections of this word, and for the rest of it, I'm using my Gina K Connect glue to make sure that it's nice and stuck down onto the page. I just find this Gina K Connect glue to be the best for adhering like wood veneer pieces or acrylic pieces and things like that. And that's pretty much it for this photo page. I kept it nice and simple because I wanted the focus to be on our two stuffed animals there. For the right side of the page, I'm adhering my sticker paper onto the journaling cards and just burnishing down with my burnishing tool. I find this makes the sticker paper a bit more seamless on the journaling card because it looks a bit more clear and there aren't any air bubbles underneath. And I had enough room on the top of this journaling card to add this sticker banner that says The Good Old Days, but there was still a lot of empty space left on the top, so I decided to cover some of that up with some washi tape from Cocoa Daisy. This was from their February 2021 Denim and Blush collection, and the washi tape came in the main planner kit. I just really love how the colors of that kit from the February collection really goes well with the colors in this Friends Story kit. And actually, I've used up quite a few of those pattern papers and embellishments from Cocoa Daisy with the Friends Story kit so far in my other spreads as well. Just attaching the sticker paper with the journaling down onto the Forever Friends card, and I like the symmetry between the childhood friends on the photo and the forever friends on the journaling card because it indicates that they were childhood friends, but they will forever be friends. And now I'm getting ready to create a flip out for this bottom right journaling card. I'm going to decorate the back of this flip out first, and I'm using a combination of the washi tape from Cocoa Daisy, the banner sticker that says Love You from the Friends Story Kit, and one of these heart notepad papers that I had cut a heart out of for a previous spread that I did. So just rearranging those elements onto this card here to see what looks better, and fortunately that washi tape is quite removable, so I was able to play around with that a bit. And I ended up with lining up the top and the bottom of the card with the washi tape, and then sticking the heart towards the top of that journaling card, and then the banner towards the bottom of the journaling card. And then I did add one of the navy blue puffy heart stickers from the Hearts Quarterly Scrapbooking Kit from Ali Edwards. I just love these puffy hearts so much. And some of these colors really do go well with the Friends story kit as well. Next, I'm creating a hinge for my flip out, just with some plain white cardstock. This is cut at 1 inch wide by 4 inches tall, and I just scored it right down the middle at 1/2 inch. And I'm going to be applying some 3/8 inch score tape to both sides of the score mark to attach all of the journaling cards into place. So the way that I'm attaching this hinge piece is by sandwiching the left flap of that hinge between the journaling card that says "just like the good old days" and the custom journaling card that I just created with the heart and the washi tape. And I'm going to be attaching the right flap of that hinge to the back side of the journaling card with the lines on it, so that it'll be sandwiched between that card and the base page that I'm going to adhere everything down onto. So that hides the flip out mechanism and makes my page seem a bit more seamless. Just making sure everything is nice and lined up before removing the score tape backing. And once that's done, I'll adhere everything down onto my base page for a quick and easy spread. I did add a couple more puffy hearts to that spread, one to the top of my photo beside the childhood friends, and one near the top of my journaling card that says Forever Friends, just to draw attention to that symmetry between those two pages, and that pretty much finishes up my spread. So overall, not a very complicated spread, but I love how the attention is mostly focused on the large photo that I have, as well as the journaling for this very special story. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to get notified when I upload my next video with the flip through of all my friends' story kit spreads. After that, the next story kit that I'm going to be crushing is the Listen story kit, so I'm excited to get started on that pretty soon. Thanks so much for watching!